What is up? Welcome back. It is your favorite moto vlogger back with another video. And today we're going to continue the customization of this beautiful Road Glide 2025 that is in that Midnight Firestorm paint set. Now, we got 3 upgrades coming your way today. They might seem small to you guys, but in the bigger picture, they're gonna really set the bike off. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna grab these Pro Deck engine bolt covers and their hex nuts, and they're gonna be able to cover the bolts that you don't get the covers for when you order those sets. I'm gonna stick them down in the description. And upgrade number 2 coming at you. We're gonna swing on the other side of the bike. We're gonna grab that coil cover off, and we're gonna accomplish 2 things. We're gonna hide those spark plugs and make them look nice and neat. And also we're gonna go custom and make the bike look badass and continue the blackout. And third of all, guys, this one's for you out there. We're gonna finish the blackout of the bike. We're gonna get that stock, and I mean absolutely hideous stock license plate cover off. We're gonna put a curved one on that's gonna black the rest of that bike out. I can't wait to see the rear, and I know you guys can't wait to either. So without further delay, let's get to wrenching. So let's check out the upgrades we're gonna be using today. And these are the Pro Deck engine bolt covers right here. I've got them in 2 sizes, the 1/2 and the 9/16. I'm gonna stick them in the description so you guys can grab them, but these are really great for hitting those big bolts that you guys can't get in those other sets when you order those. You guys see right there that hex is gonna fit snug on there, and you see it's all blacked out, so it's gonna really add the look to the bike that we're going for. Then let's go ahead and switch our attention to the coil cover right here. You guys see that's a great quality, really shiny material, and it's a nice metal and it looks really, really good. We're gonna go with this one, and we're gonna replace that stock one on the bike. I think it's gonna really bang it out right there and get a bang for the buck. And then finally, my favorite upgrade of the day is these curved license plates. And right now, guys, I'm gonna stick this one in the description also. This is a great one to grab. Why I really like this, you see this pad right here? This is gonna go on your fender when you run it up, and that means no scratches. And if you have to remove it for some reason, your fender's gonna look just like it looked when you put it on. You guys see, it's true plug and play, just a quick plug in, and then let me spin it around, and you can see the quality of it. Really shiny, really good powder coat on there, looks really, really good. All right, fellas, so we're gonna start with those 9/16 Pro Deck caps. Now you guys see right under the handlebars right here, this big thick bolt here. Then we're gonna come down there, and then let's swing down, and we're gonna come right here to where we attach the passenger pegs with these big ugly chrome bolts right there. We're gonna cover those, and then we're gonna swing underneath right between the saddlebag and the side panel, that big ugly bolt there. So let's get these all covered up, see what it looks like. Yes, sir, fellas. A great install right here. I'm so hyped up when I put this on. Guys, super easy to take it off. It's just the bolt that originally comes out, a T25 star. And to run it back in, you just put it over the top, and it just covers everything up nice and neat. We'll run it back up with a Allen right there. We'll snug it in, not too tight because you'll over tighten and strip that screw. Now, take a look at that, how it visually brings your eye to that, and also it pulls all the black out. You guys aren't looking at those ugly spark plugs anymore. They are well hidden, and it gives you more of a visual illusion to the bike. So absolutely love this one right here. Super easy to do. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but that is fire. I want to get that license plate cover off here. I absolutely hate that stock license plate cover that they put on there. That thing is disgusting. So we got to get it off. First, I'm going to jack the bike up and get it started so I can get underneath and get easy access to those bolts, make it a quick, easy install. So I'm going to jack the bike up. For those of you out there who don't know how to jack a bike up, guys, it is super easy, and it's one of the things that you guys should always be able to do. So let me go ahead and jack this up. Hey, don't forget, man, like, subscribe to the channel. Guys, I'm a starving artist. Need your support out there. The channel is really taking off, and I absolutely love the support. So if you subscribe to the channel, don't forget to hit that notification so you can see the videos, because they're gonna be coming hot off the presses. Let's get the installation off to a start. You're gonna need 3 things. a T25 star right there, and a 7/16 wrench. And we're gonna get ready to rock and roll. This thing is about to come off. So what we're gonna do first, you guys look through there, you see those two screws right there? Those are T25s right there. And then let's shoot under the bottom and let me show you what we're working with. And then there's a cap up here. Now this is a good instructional for you guys, because when you get under here, you're gonna see this. All this cap is just a cover. It flips off, just pops off, and you get that out, it comes right out just like that. Easy and quick. Now you're gonna see two bolts running here, and then there's the plug right there for the light. So we're just gonna undo those T25. They're gonna unplug this, and then we're gonna get the new one going. Right, next up, we're gonna get those T25s out, and they break really easy. They don't have Loctite or anything on there. They break super easy. So just knock those out. Yes, sir, and that just comes right off when you take those two bolts out, and it lays to the side. There's the wire right there. Let's go underneath. And what we're gonna see up here is the wire right here, and that's just attached. All we're gonna do is take both of our hands, put it on the side, and pull that out. Yes, sir, so now we've got everything off. I've got the bracket in my hand, the mounting license plate here, and what I'm gonna do, you guys see the plug sticking out of there, and then you've got your plug here. All we're gonna do is connect these babies up. Then we're gonna check the power. Are rocking and rolling. We've checked everything and we've got power. That's gonna look so dope. Let me get this thing on, and then we're gonna unveil it, see what it looks like. All right, fellas, so we are buttoning everything back up, and you see there's the wire running right there. And all we're gonna do is just take that, there's a little clip in there that holds that in, and I'm just gonna push that in, and you guys see it holds it in nice and neat. That was pretty clever on Harley's part to put that clip in there to keep everything nice and neat so the wires don't hang. You see they're nice and tight. So let me run everything back up, and then I'm gonna flip that cap back on. Guys, remember there was this cap right here, and all it does is flip in. This is the top piece, and we are good to go. It's time to show all the upgrades to the bike, and I'm ready. Are you ready? I am constantly in search of the ooh factor, and what that is, fellas, when you walk up to the bike, I simply want you to be like ooh. So let's check out the upgrades and see what you think. And I'm telling you right now, this thing looks so mean with the smoked out windshield, with that, oh my god, crazy paint job, and you guys can see the flames in there, and that's just so crazy. And I love the stealth look of that. Speaking of stealth, a lot of you guys in the comments loved that black on black right there. We got a lot more to go coming your way. Only had the bike a few days, but man, we are working it out. So let's jump and talk about some of the upgrades. So yes, sir, let's first start off with those engine bolt covers, those Pro decks that we showed you, as well as the additional ones that we got. Everything will be in the description when we got it, but you see everything is all blacked out. And even, guys, I even blacked out the screws on the rear passenger pegs and all that. Everything you see is all blacked out right there. Absolutely love it. Let me swing to the other side. You guys will really get the effect over here. You see the primary right there, all blacked out, and then we've got all those engine bolts right there all blacked out. Underneath the front, everything under the front ends all blacked out. Again, fellas, we blacked out those passenger pegs, and that gives a great effect as well. Now we got to step up to my favorite upgrade right here, and it's the coil cover. Now whenever you are customizing something, customization is all about visualizing, and what you do, this coil cover makes you visualize and see outside more of the black. And I love that look right there. It gives it a mean, aggressive look. Plus, it hid those spark plugs and make everything pop. All right, so I lied, guys. This is my favorite part of the bike. Now, I love the coil cover, but this thing is crazy right here. You guys can see that blacked out, smoked out look. And now look at all the fender that we got showing and all that gloss black. And then you ride down into that curved license plate cover, and that thing just pretty much set everything off. Now remember guys, we're gonna paint these CFR pipes right there and make them look amazing and finish this off, but right now this thing is looking major league right now. Yes sir, and this is the reason right here that I love customizing bikes. All the parts that I showed you guys today, they don't cost thousands of dollars. Nope. They don't add horsepower to the bike, not even close. But at the end of the day, all these come together and they elevate your bike to another level. Stick with me, I'm telling you fellas, this bike is about to metamorphosize into something you never saw coming. Enjoy the ride, man. We're gonna rock and roll. Next time you see me guys, we're gonna be ripping this thing apart and we're gonna really take it to another level. So you know what I'm already gonna say? Until next time, keep those two wheels down. Peace. Oh my God, fellas, you gotta keep it real, man. That front end just looks so crazy. You know what it kind of reminds me of is Predator, the movie Predator. Leave me something in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Peace out.